miss me? Hello my friends, it's Julia here from Made by the Chef, and this is part 2 of my slow cooked lamb, Cypriot style, Kleftiko, 5 hours, 160 degrees, and it is spectacular. It is absolutely falling off the bone. Let me show you. Just take a look at that lamb. Look at that. It is so amazing. Look. Oh, let me show you. Look at that. Just so fantastic. Just falling off the bone. How amazing is that? Oh, so good. Look, the potatoes, the tomatoes, all just cooked out, and those lovely juices in there. Drizzle over the top. You just can't resist. So make this lamb, whether it's today, tomorrow. I've got to have a little taste, as you know. That is so good. Make this lamb. Have a wicked day. Stay at home with me, and I'll see you again soon.